Yeah, I'm not playing well today. Not playing well at all. Very frustrating, to put it mildly. And now I blundered 95 as well for pretty much no good reason. I just feel very impatient. I think that's the main thing. I just feel very impatient. Like I can't bring myself to slow down and think. It's all a little bit off today. It's a little bit off. Yeah, it's just a little bit like a little bit too impatient. Just not enough not enough rhythm. Now I do have bishop c1 here to attack the queen. Go here. I can take the pawn. You know, I think I should just take the pawn because in this position, if he takes, he's going to be missing a rook or missing the dark square bishop. And practically speaking, this should be correct. Why am I back on Twitch on a Monday? Because we have the decathlon event. That's why. Go here, attack the queen. Like now it's starting, my position's improving. But see, even this game, I'm just not very happy with my play. But maybe I'll get a lolly and win. Okay, that's just a blunder. Maybe he'll resign. Maybe. Unlikely, but maybe. Just take. Just take. Take and take. That's a free pawn. I'll take it. Yeah, I mean this should just be winning here. Let's go here. Line up the double battery. Line up this battery. Go here. Takes, and now it's mate and one either way. We get the win.